Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to repair a PlayStation 5 joystick. First, gather your essential tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and new joystick modules. Make sure your DualSense controller is completely powered off and disconnected. We'll be addressing common issues like stick drift, which is frequently caused by worn-out internal components. This repair can save you money and extend the life of your controller. Now, let's carefully disassemble your controller. Begin by removing the two small Phillips head screws found on the back, near the shoulder buttons. Next, use your plastic prying tool to gently separate the front and back shells, working your way around the seam. Be mindful of the ribbon cables connecting the two halves, carefully disconnect them. Finally, remove the battery and its housing to gain full access to the internal components. With the controller open, you'll see the two joystick modules. These are often the culprits for drift. Using a soldering iron and desoldering wick, carefully desolder the 14 pins holding each faulty module to the circuit board. Once removed, clean the solder pads to prepare for the new component. Then, precisely align and solder the new joystick module into place, ensuring every pin makes a solid connection for optimal performance. Now it's time to reassemble your controller. Carefully reconnect all ribbon cables and place the battery back into its housing. Align the front and back shells, making sure no wires are pinched, and gently snap them together. Reinsert and tighten the two small screws on the back. Finally, connect your controller to your PlayStation 5 or PC and thoroughly test the joystick functionality. Verify that the drift is gone and all movements are precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.